Meaning of emphasize.
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 Emphasize. Emphasize means to give greater attention and importance to something. When we emphasize something, we are drawing attention to it and highlighting its significance. By doing this, we are trying to make sure that others understand the importance of that particular thing, idea, or point. Emphasizing can be done in many ways, such as through the use of specific language, tone of voice, or body language. The purpose of emphasizing is to ensure that the message is clearly communicated and understood by the audience, and that the intended impact is achieved.